Hi everyone, I am here with our number 6 from our neutral butterflies slash beige butterflies, depending on where you're looking. These are our 3 ring collections. These are some that we've already done. Aren't they pretty? And, oh, we aren't doing that one yet. And anyway, so we're going to do number 6 today. And let's just get started. I printed everything on 110-pound cardstock. It's fairly light, but heavy enough that it's got some substance in those tags. I've printed and inked everything. I printed the neutral that's included on the back of every single paper. You can barely see it. It's kind of an ink saver one, but it's just beautiful. But I didn't print it on the back of this one because it's going to be folded in half. Regular disclaimer, stay out of this area and this area, because when it's folded, those will be the places that our metal rings will go through if you're doing the 3 ring method. So let's go ahead and start with our fun little envelopes. Now, these ones are going to be a little different. We're not going to close them. And I will show you what I mean by that. So these are going to be glued in, and we're going to actually turn them into pockets. And then we're just going to be able to pop them open, and you'll see what we're going to do. It's really fun. So I want to be able to pull something out of this side. So I'm going to be gluing down these 3 sides on our envelopes. I did put a neutral on the back, even though you won't see it, just in case you wanted to use yours a little differently. That will give you the options. So, and I'm going to come within that. I'm going to keep that area open again. Come right about there. And I'm eyeballing that. Make sure I get my correct sides glued down. So these will double as a fun little fold out and a side pocket. All right, so there's that. Now, inside each one of these is going to be just some goodies that are just gonna sit here, and teeny tiny pockets. So let's glue down our teeny tiny pockets. Staying close to the edges as possible. And I'm going to keep that down pretty low here too. And I just realized I should have inked the insides of all my envelopes, which I didn't, but that's okay. I can come back and do that later. And then you can kind of embellish these pockets any way you want. Hopefully you can see that. I'm just having fun. And then there's a bunch of teeny tiny, like tons of teeny tiny bits in this kit, and you can kind of pick which ones you want to put in your teeny tiny pockets. So we're going to be doing that with all 3. And then I have these additional just fun little creative things you can journal on the back, or you can use to embellish in other places. Then what you will do is fold that all up. And then right here, we have 3 of these little postage, faux postage stamp things. They're gonna come right here. You're gonna glue it down on this half and keep that part unglued, and it'll be like a little tuck. I did this on the last one, and it has held up very well. So I really like this method. So you're just barely gonna put that over the top of that envelope. And I'll bring that a little closer to show you. So see how it's barely holding that envelope down? So when you want to open it, you just pop that open. When you want to close it, it's easier if you come in from that angle like that. Okay, so there's one. Let's go ahead and finish our other envelopes. Okay, and there you have it. We have our 3 envelopes. We also have these really cute tags that are going to be what we tuck back in here. So I have a bunch of bits like this, and just for sake of strengthening that pull out, you can glue an extra one of these here just for kind of a fun decoration or for strength, or you can not worry about it and you can journal that whole thing. So that's just an extra thought if you want to do something like that. You can also take some of the little extra bits that are included and consider like a fun little extra. I think I will put it up here so I don't cover my flowers. Let's just go clear to that corner. Just something fun if you want like a little extra on it. And that is going to be going in this little tuck right here. And again, it's okay if it hangs over the edge because you have, that's going to be sticking out of your book, which will just be super cute. And if you have something like this, but you want to use it and it's too big, then if you want, just snip that off. Give it a quick ink so it blends in. Excuse me. And you can just pop that on. So you can get creative with how you use the extra little bits that are in this kit. Or just leave it plain. Whatever you want. Super cute. Okay, so that side is done. Let's get to the other side. So you're gonna wanna do this in the correct order. But we have 3 pockets. Again, we wanna kind of steer clear of that zone. So we're gonna scooch them up a little higher to the top. Let's start with our first one. We're just gluing down the 2 sides because our tag that goes in here is bigger. So it'll go deeper. I'll show you what I mean. Let's plop that down there. I'm just eyeballing that, kind of centering it. You can do it how you want. But so the tag that's going to go in here is going to come out the bottom. So you won't see it because it'll be behind the other pockets. But that's just to show you why I didn't glue the bottom. And I'm not going to glue the bottom on this one either. I'm putting a good amount of glue because it's only held in place with those 2 glue points. So just keep that in mind with the amount of glue that you put down. I guess this one is the kit of 3 because I have 3 envelopes, 3 pockets. This one I need to glue along the bottom. All right. And now we have our 3 tags that are going to go in there. We also have these extra little bits if you want to add some extra 3-dimensional awesomeness to these. Just fun. All right. So now these go in this pocket. Hopefully the glue is dry enough. And they just slip right in there. Number 2 and number 1. There we go. Oh yes, and then I have stuff to do like a collage here. So keep in mind that this butterfly wing will probably get punched when we do our 3 ring because it's in that zone. That's okay if it gets punched. You just don't want your tags and things like that to get punched. So I'm going to stay out of this side of the butterfly because it's going to hang over the edge of that pocket. Like so. And I just have some extra cute little bits that can go on there if you want. I think I want this under that. And let's see. I can glue that down and just not glue along that edge so that we can pull that first tag right out of that pocket. And there we have it. Make sure I didn't glue anything shut here. Good. All right, and there you have it. Easy as can be. We have our 3 tags that come out of here for journaling. Cute little collage. We stayed out of the no-go zone. And then we have our 3 envelopes. They have a hidden tuck behind them, and all of them open up with some really fun little bits that you can either put as embellishments in other places of your journal, or you can use as journaling on the back. So just lots of cute, tiny things in this number 6 video. So anyway, I hope you love it. I'll link everything down below. I've got the other 1 through 5 linked down as well. So check it out. Try out something new and fun, and pretty much guaranteed results. So it's kind of fun. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you later. Bye.